Hi, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out this video. And I do want to say that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you have subscribed, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to plug you into a video that I did a couple of days ago, and I decided really to kind of release it this evening. I do want to say that I am looking for some people who really want to change their lives financially, want to change their life and their lifestyles. Okay, and that's what I'm looking for, and I think that this opportunity is an opportunity that people can really plug into, and they can build something nice for themselves and for their families. Okay, and so I really want to invite you to take a look at it, and hopefully you'll see what I see. If you're a goal-minded, success-oriented person, a person that knows what they want, that you want a profitable business, that you want to make some money, okay? Because a business is a business, and if you get into a business, then you've got to put your business hat on, okay? You've got to have a mindset that will cause you to move forward, even in the face of trouble, in the face of adversity, things like that. But this is a business where everything is in place. The system is in place and will help you to build the business, because really the system tells the story. It's up to you to kind of to share it, to let people know about it. Okay, and you can do that various ways, through SafeList, through Facebook, through YouTube. Okay, there's all kinds of ways for you to do it. All right, to share it, to get it out. And if you can do that, then you can build this business. This is one of the fastest ways that I believe that a person can build a six-figure income. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this video for you, and then I'm going to come back and say, have a good day, have a good night, etc. Stay with me for the next few moments, okay? Here we go. Oh, let me get out the way. Let me do that. Boom. Okay. All right. Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out this video today. How would you like to get paid on everybody company-wide, okay? And this is whether they're on your team or not. And that really doesn't matter. You will get paid. We've got a super secret system that we're introducing, and you'll have hundreds, even tens of thousands of associates giving you hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of signups and sales. How would you like to earn up to $3,000 per week or more? Folks, this is a global, international business opportunity, and best of all, it's free to join. And what we want you to do is grab the link in the description area of this video and get signed up today. It's free to take a look, and I tell you something, this is a great business opportunity, and you can make a ton of money with this system. I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now. Okay, so there you have it. All right. I am going to leave the link to this incredible opportunity in the description area of this video. There'll be some other links there too, of the products and services that we promote, just for your convenience. If you wanted to take a look at some other things, then you'll be able to do that. But if you want to build a serious business, then I invite you to join me in this business. Let's go to work. Let's let people know about this, and let's build six-figure incomes with this opportunity. Okay, so there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Be careful out there with all the viruses and all the things going on. You be safe. All right. Hope to see you on the inside real soon. Bye-bye now.